Hello, this is Ethan and I'm going to show a tutorial on how to create a new feedback panel using the formative feedback option. So first off, you can already add some feedback logs. In this simulation I already added a couple, and I'm going to show you how to utilize this. So once you add your feedback log, make sure to click expand and you're going to get into this feedback system. So some of the options I've already added, like the when, action taken, and impact. Let's see, if you click on this add feedback button, you'll be able to select an option. You can see the ones I had earlier: when, action taken, impact, text, request user inputs, and include image. So for now, let's assume I clicked on when. When you have the when option, there's a drop down that you can select the state node name, timestamps, and a custom message. The state node name would be whatever the name of the state's in, which for me it's state 0. If you were to choose timestamp, then it'll show the time that the user had put this feedback log into the panel. A custom message is whatever the author wants to put in. And then for action taken, you could do a trigger, which would be how the user got into the state that has the add feedback log. For example, if they said, or if they used a cube or grabbed a hammer or said yes or no, then that will show. For me, I'm going to put a custom message saying that the doctor asks you how to respond. And impact is what changed. So for me, you could put a custom message saying that you responded with an empathetic response. You could say that some virtual object's attribute was changed, or you could say like the current object, whatever it is. So that's impact. Next we have text. So text is, you could put anything. For me, I will put, you believe the patient is sick. That's all it does. You could put request user input. So here you could request the actual user to put in something. A confidence is how confident they were with their response. The comments is something that they'll put in as a comment, and reflection is what they think they could have changed or something else like that. And then including image is that you could put an image that you uploaded to your virtual library. For me, I have a wide array of images. I'm going to click the green, yellow, red, and that's all of the options for this feedback system. You can drag and change the ordering, and you can also delete. So let's hit save. And that is my state for the formative feedback log. You can add more. So this would be like the second page. So for this one, I'll put just a timestamp and I'll save it, and make sure to also have a show feedback panel state action to actually see the results. So I'm going to save my simulation and play it. So it is loading. There we go. Let's click on start simulation. You can see this is my first page. You can see the state name that I had at state 0, my custom message for an action, doctor asks you how to respond to a situation, as well as my text comment, you believe the patient is sick. And here is the comments, or the request user input for how confident you were. You can click one of these stars, and here's the image that I had uploaded, the yellow, green, and red. And you can see at the bottom right, bottom left, there is a page where you could go left and right to all the different feedback you have. And you could see here in my second page, I only did a timestamp. So this is a timestamp. On the right, you could restart the simulation or exit. You could also submit. So this is for like comments. If you have a comment or comments about your result, you hit submit. It'll say that you have successfully submitted your feedback. And that is all I have for the formative feedback. Thank you for listening in.